Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, I just have to make a quick announcement about my products on Warrior Plus. As you can see here, it says check out all of my Warrior Plus products. So we'll talk about that in a moment. And then we have some bonuses for you. So if you want to know what these bonuses are and how you can get them, then make sure you watch the video till the end. Obviously, when you go and buy the copy from my link below, you will get these bonuses. But what are they exactly and how to get them, you will find the information in the end. And we'll also discuss the way to make money for long term using my method. So make sure you watch the video till the end. And coming back to the video now, so below there it says check out all of my Warrior Plus products. I want you to click there, and then you will see some launches I have done. So these three are software, one is PLR, but these three are very cool software which will help you if you're a marketeer or individual or whosoever you are. This will definitely help you because the first one is very cool. It generates helps you generates images. So let me show you Drishyam AI. Okay, so if you click here, right click and then click on open link, that's the page. Okay, so it says create stunning AI visuals in seconds, and then you can go and watch this demo video, and then there are sample images which I can show you. So you can generate graphics like these using this Drishyam AI. So go and check out this. This will surely help you if you want to generate some cool thumbnails or some ebook covers or whatever. Okay, so go and check out this in your free time. Go and watch the demo. Drishyam AI is a very fantastic software for generating images you will never see anywhere else. Okay, go and check that how that works. Then we have Launch to Profit AI. Right click here and then click on open in new link, and then you have to go and watch this demo video again. This helps you to create all the campaigns. Okay, all affiliate campaigns you can think of, email copy, review articles, scripts, this and that. It's totally going to generate unlimited content for you all in a one-time thing. So go and check out this Launch to Profit AI, and if you want to generate some images, visuals, check out Drishyam AI. Similarly, check out this Review to Profit AI. So go and check out these things in your free time and watch the video till the end. Let's start the review now. Alright guys, let's do this FunnelHero AI review. So right now we are on a sales page. How do you get to the sales page? You have to check below my video. It might be saying grab Funnel AI Hero or FunnelHero AI copy here. Click on that link. That will take you to the sales page where you can use this coupon code to get $5 off. I'll give you more coupon codes. Okay, so let me give you coupon codes here. So you have this Funnel Hero for $4 off and Hero bundle for $50 off on the bundle package. Okay, so if you decide to buy the whole funnel, you will get this $50 discount using this coupon code. So try these coupon codes and try this one as well. So what does it say? Create and sell the first ever agentic self-building and self-selling funnels pages websites that convert automatically. This is the first funnel builder where you pick the AI brain before a single page is written. Cloud Opus, Cloud Sonnet, or GPT, then just chat with it. Okay, so well, you may not understand anything what they're saying here, but you have to go and watch that demo video that explains everything. So I have seen the demo video and it is very cool. So you will find the demo video on the sales page as well. Keep scrolling and keep scrolling until you find this 11 minutes long demo video, which you have to go and watch in your free time. I will show you some glimpses of the demo video right here. So once you log in, this is the dashboard, right? So what you need to do is you can create stuff. You can create opt-in pages. As you can see, opt-in pages, sales funnel, webinar funnel, upsell, downsell using AI. Okay, so all you have to do is you get to the chat bot here and you tell the AI what are you planning to do. It asks questions automatically and it gives you the inbuilt domain, so you do not have to have hosting or connect your domain. All the pages will be hosted on funnelheroai.com, and you can connect your autoresponders. When you get leads, they will be transferred to your autoresponder automatically to your get response iWeber. Integrations are there, including Zapier as well. Okay, so that's it. Go and watch the demo video. They have explained in detail how to use the software. And once these things are automatically generated on their domain, you can simply go and customize it if you want. All this can be changed. Okay. So you can change everything if you don't like it, and you can have your own branding there. You can have your own name or text, whatever you want to change. Everything is customizable, right? And in the end, I can show you how you can connect to your autoresponders. So you have to go and watch this 11 minutes long demo video. You can see here, these are the funnels, and you can clone them as well, right? So go and check out this demo video in your free time as in when you come to the sales page. You may find a link below my video for the sales page, and then go and grab your copy using my link below. Also, you will get the bonuses. Let's go through some question answers at the bottom, I guess. Okay. So how does FunnelHero AI actually work? So just go and see the demo video. So it's with the AI, right? What kinds of funnels can I build with this? You can build every affiliate marketing campaign or marketing campaign with this. Do I need any tech skills? No. Can I really pick which AI writes my pages? You can. What about the chat editing feature? After your funnel is generated, you can edit any page by simply typing what you want to change. Okay, make the headline more urgent. So I told you it's customizable. So where do the funnels actually live or live? Can I host them anywhere? You can. You can publish straight to so you can, you can download the HTML file index.html, and you can upload it to your own domain as well. Can I use this to build funnels for paying clients? Yes, your purchase includes commercial license, and you can also upgrade. What happens if I run out of credits? So, well, obviously API is connected, so you will have to pay for every request. Every time you request the API to do something, there will be some credits which will be spent. So you can go and buy more credits. Is there built-in analytics? Yes. What if it doesn't work for me? You have 30-day money back guarantee. But I have seen the demo video, and if you are serious about marketing and funnel and opt-in pages, etc., etc., or maybe you are some freelancer working for clients. So if you are a serious person, then go and watch the demo video, and then go and buy this if you really want this. Okay. Or you can also go and grab my Drishyam software if you want to create some visuals. Okay, you can see we have discussed the Drishyam AI in the beginning, where you can go and create visuals using my software. Okay, and you can also generate content. So go and check out my Warrior Plus products too. But go and grab this FunnelHero AI using my link below. And also let me talk about the funnels right here. So front end starting with 37, but you can get the discount. So this will be around $34 or $33. OTO one is 97. So these are the prices. But what you will be getting inside them, you can check everything here. Pause the video, pause the screen, and read everything here. This is what you will be getting in OTO 1 on the right side. Okay. And then we have OTO 2 and OTO 3. So you have to just go and read everything. There's too much to read for me. So go and check out everything, and that's all, I guess. So if you want to make money online for long term, then make sure you watch the video till the end, and also you will know what the bonuses I'm offering. So stay tuned. All right, guys, now we are done with the review, and let's talk about some serious stuff, how you can make real money online. So if you go below my video again and click on more and check out these links. So I have like 2-3 methods which I personally use in my online life to make money on the internet. So I have mastered Forex trading. So it says swing like a pro. You click on that link, and then you enter your name and email, and then you will come to this page. This is Forex trading. Okay, so when you come to this page, you can watch these videos. These are short videos, 2-3 minutes long each video. Okay, you can go and watch it to know exactly what's my knowledge and should you go and join this program or not. Okay, this is not for everybody. It is only for people who have the money. Okay, it's an investment thing. Forex trading or any kind of trading is about investment. Okay, you have to have the money. Okay. So right from the beginning, this option trading, Forex trading is not for those people who are broke, who are living on paycheck to paycheck, who are living on a budget. You don't have flexibility with the funds. It's not for you. So chill. Okay. It's not for you. No headaches, right? It's only for people who have the money. They can join my program and they can work with me. More details you can find when you click on this link, right? Second option is make money on YouTube, which everybody can do if you can talk. You don't even have to come on the camera if you don't want to. So if you click on this make money on YouTube link, you will have to just enter your name and email, and you can also watch this video, the testimonial. Okay. The testimonial is all about how to make money on YouTube and how you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel just within 2-3 weeks and get your YouTube channel monetized within a month. Okay, so go and enter your name and everything and check out the testimonial here. After that, you will come to this page. Okay, so YouTube gives you multiple sources of income. If your YouTube channel is monetized, you can make money with ad revenue, as you can see. So when you see these ads in my YouTube video, I get paid little bit of money, not much, but it something is better than nothing. Okay, so this much money which you see on the screen, I made only by making these videos for free. You watch ads, people watch ads, and I made this kind of money. Okay, and then obviously you can watch more testimonials, and you can see, you can sell anything in your YouTube video, you can sell your services, whatever. Okay, so this is it. And this is screenshot which you see here, this is about the email marketing. I'm gonna talk about that in a moment. Okay, so go and check out all these things. YouTube is for people who want to work manually. Okay, I do everything. I do email marketing, YouTube, trading, this and that. I do everything. Okay, but you have to maybe choose one to start in the beginning, because it depends what your expertise is. Okay, if you have the money and you're willing to invest, then you can join my forex trading program. If you are interested in making money on YouTube, then go and click this make money on YouTube and join Traffic Jarvis. Get the knowledge first. Okay, and get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month. And then it says get 100 email leads per day. Okay, so this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you will also you also get the software, the system inbuilt, from where you can send email to these 100 leads once every single day. Okay, so 100 leads per day, and you can email them once in 24 hours, and you can sell them any offer of your choice, including the system itself. Okay, so I have attached the screenshot here, so you can see I made this kind of money. How much I made? Actually more. This screenshot is quite old, so I have made more than this. It's an old screenshot. Okay, but you can see this is a recurring commission. So if you want to promote the system itself, you will get commissions every month, and you will not become rich, but you have to just work and build your commissions. Okay, so anyways, I think let's and if you want to talk to me, so for example, you want to talk to me one to one, you're not sure what is suitable for you, you should do trading, you should do YouTube, you should do email marketing, or you're confused, you just want to speak with me. If you want to have if you want to consult with me one to one, you can click on this link right here, and you can book your consultation call in at $97 for 40 minutes. As you can see here, all you have to do is click on this button, make the payment, and then simply drop me an email with your timing. Okay, so you can drop me an email after the payment and tell me that when do you want to speak with me, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before the payment. Okay, so let's talk about the bonuses here. So you will get free lifetime email autoresponder if you go and buy from my link below. So you will get the bonuses so that you can do email marketing and get this email responder so that you can do it for free. Okay, and Kiss Jacking is a 2 hours YouTube training program. If I show you, it's a YouTube video training program which I am giving you for free for 2 hours, as you can see, in which you will learn exactly how to do what I'm doing or others are doing right now, meaning how to make these review videos and make sales and get commissions. Okay, and last thing is Forex Profit Machine. So in case you have no idea what trading is all about, which I was showing you earlier, if you don't know what this trading is, then I'm giving you 11,000 words PDF book for this forex trading for beginners. Okay, so you will get these 3 bonuses if you go and buy this software for whatever we have done the review. If you go and buy from a link below, you will get these 3 bonuses. And if you have any questions, you can always email this to me. Okay, so let's do a quick recap, I guess. So you have few ways to make money on the internet. You can either try trading, or go and get Traffic Jarvis, make money on YouTube, or get 100 leads per day, or book consultation with me. And you can get cash checking if you want to, or just do whatever you like. Okay, so subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Till then, take care.